We're gonna go outside because it's raining really hard. Wait, leave the door open. Can you hear the rain? Ready? Look. Whoa! Oh, dude, it smells really good. It smells really good because it's raining. And Hallie is gonna go outside, but she went to change her shirt. And I would go stand in the rain, but then you would break. So no. So now we have to wait for Hallie. And it smells really good. And it's raining a lot. You want to see the rain? I don't know, can you see it? Look, it's like monsoon! Woo! Anyways. I think Hallie's coming now. Yay! Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
I'm scared.
Are you gonna go out there?
Will I get struck by lightning?
No.
That'd be a bonus. What should I do? Wet and cold.
You look like you're doing like Tai Chi or something. It's what? I want to go. Come back. I want to turn. Look, you like barely even got wet.
Go.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Wait,
Do you want my shoes?
No.
Okay.
On the sidewalk. Oh my God. It's not really raining that hard. It's like really warm.
I know, it feels like somebody's peeing on you.
I love not trying like to hide from the It's my eyes. Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. I'm gonna go back out.
Okay.
Look at my shirt.
I want to go back out too. Wait, hold on. Let me get Mallory.
Let's put the camera. No, set it like on a thing.
No, it's gonna fall, and you're not gonna be able to see us. Hold on.
Fine. It's stopping. I'm going back out.